So the crucial by-polls in Madhya Pradesh of the 28 seats, 16 are on the Gwalior-Chambal belt, and I have with me Jyotiraditya ji. Jyotiraditya ji, this is in one sense your election because a large chunk are from your stronghold, from your area. But now that you're with the BJP, do you sometimes find it difficult to take the cadre along, or has it become a Congress versus Congress election?
Well, first let me say this, that for us every single seat is important. This is an election for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Which means that it is an election for Shivraj Singh Chauhan as the Chief Minister, for me, for Narendra Singh ji, for Vishnudat Sharma ji, for every single leader of the BJP, and for every single party worker of the BJP. I will also say this, that we have in the last 3 to 4 months, prior to that we were in lockdown for 2 months, and then I myself got corona, and after which the CM got corona. But the last 3 to 4 months, we have been working completely in unison, in sync with each other. And I think that has had its ripple effect all the way down till the grassroots worker. And today, wherever we go, whichever stage we are on, all the party workers and the leaders are working unitedly. And this is a first for me, because even whilst I was in the Congress party, right. And you're very well aware of this in other states as well, even within the Congress party, there was tremendous factionalism. But there is a great degree of discipline within the Bharatiya Janata Party. There may have been differences to start out with, and naturally there will be, because we were on opposite ends of the spectrum. But those differences have been ironed out. Many sittings have taken place between workers and leaders. And today everyone is in sync and in unison with a single objective of making sure that we have a thumping majority in this government. As you're very well aware, it's not as if the order is a very tall one for the current government out of the 28 seats. But I think we are working together to make sure we win each and every single seat. And so in this election, the BJP has everything to gain, because 27 out of 28 are Congress seats, and the Congress has everything to lose.
Right. You talked about factionalism. Very interesting point. Of course, like we're going to get back to Rajasthan. I'm going to ask you the next question on Rajasthan. But before that, your father, and interestingly, my first assignment was to cover his election. Your father, your grandmother, the Scindias are a very big name in this area. Now, in a party which does not really look at personality politics, it's not the ideology in one sense of the party, do you kind of fit in? Do you think that's an issue to resolve the Scindia name with the BJP in that sense?
Well, I don't think beyond a point personalities count for so much. At the end of the day, if you ask me, it doesn't matter which party you belong to, the recipe for success in an election always is approximately 30% the personality and 70% is always the organization, whichever party you may belong to. Because you may have a great halo, but if you don't have the organization and the workers behind you who can translate that hold into votes, then you're going to end up with nothing.